My name is Logarithms, your online tutor for mathematics. I want to implore you to subscribe, like, comment, and share our content on all our social media platforms. I welcome you back to this session of mathematics. Thank you. We started some classes on logarithms, and then today we are moving on to finding the logarithm of numbers less than 1. And to find the logarithm of number less than 1, that is numbers between 0 and 1, we use negative powers of 10. That is, for instance, you have find the log of 0.07896. This is less than 1. It is between 0 and 1. So you have this to be after the decimal point. To do that, you just say solution, say 0.07896, because we want to use negative power of 10. That will be equal to, we move it to 1, 2, that is 7.896 times 10 raised to power minus 2. The minus is the 2 times we moved the decimal point to after 7 here. Do you understand? That's 7.896 times 10 raised to power minus 2. Okay, now that we have it in standard form like this, we can now get the logarithm of this value and then we can work further. Okay, let's have it. Logarithm of 7.896 equal to what? We get the answer, then we take it to this. Okay, this is our logarithm table for that. We have log of we have log of 7.896. Now 78 under 9 gives us 8971. Let me put it up here. 8971, and then difference 6 gives us 3. Let's add that. Summation 1 plus 3 gives us 4, 7, 9, 8. 8974. That's the 0.8974. Gives us 10 to the power of 0.8974. That is the way you represent it, because we are taking it to the power of what? 10. Now times 10 raised to power minus 2. What you have here exactly, just this way, times 10 raised to power minus 2. We have this to become 10. You know, in indices, the powers are to add when you have multiplication here. That is 10 to the power of 0.8974 plus minus 2, right? Okay, let me continue from up there. So we have this to be 10 to the power of 0.8974, then minus 2, right? That gives us 10 power of minus 2.8974, which is equal to bar 2 plus 0.8974, or you say bar 2.8974, and that is the answer. I will explain what bar 2 is in our next video, because you can see this is the characteristic, right? And then all you have here are the matrices. Thank you.